In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add leads in Zoho CRM. If you're using Zoho CRM to keep track of potential customers, adding leads correctly is one of the most important first steps. A lead is usually a new contact or prospect who has shown interest in your business, so keeping their information organized from the beginning can make follow-up much easier later on. To get started, open your Zoho CRM account and make sure you're logged in. Once you're inside the dashboard, take a moment to get familiar with the main navigation menu. This is where you'll access different areas of the CRM, including contacts, accounts, deals, and of course, leads. Next, click on Leads. This will take you to the Leads section, where all your existing lead records are stored. If this is your first time using the feature, the page may look mostly empty, and that's perfectly fine. If you already have leads in the system, you'll see them listed here. This area helps you manage and review potential customers in one place. Once you're in the Leads section, click New Lead. This opens the form where you can create a new lead record. The form is designed to capture the key details you need about a prospect, so this is where accuracy really matters. Enter the necessary details in the available fields. Depending on your setup, this may include information like the lead's name, company, job title, email address, phone number, lead source, or any other fields your organization uses. As you fill out the form, make sure the information is complete and entered in the correct fields. This helps avoid confusion later and keeps your CRM clean and useful. If some fields are marked as required, you'll need to complete those before saving. It's also a good idea to double-check spelling and formatting, especially for contact details, because small mistakes can affect future communication and reporting. Once you've entered all the necessary details, click Save. Zoho CRM will then create the new lead record and add it to your leads list. After saving, you can review the record to make sure everything looks correct. And that's it. You've successfully added a lead in Zoho CRM. This simple process helps you build a well-organized database of prospects and makes it easier to manage your sales pipeline over time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.